Hi, what is your name? My name is Tom. Is your name Peter? No, my name is not Peter. My name is Tom. Is your name James? No, my name is not James. My name is Tom. Nice to meet you, Tom. Pleasure's all mine. Is my name John? No, your name is not John. Your name is Sam. Is my name Simon? No, your name is not Simon. Your name is Sam. What is my name? Your name is Sam. And what is your name? My name is Tom. Nice to meet you. Pleasure's all mine. Are you a teacher? No, I am not a teacher. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. Are you a German student? No, I am not a German student. I am an English student. Are you a French student? No, I am not a French student. I am an English student. Is your last name Simpson? No, my last name is not Simpson. Is your last name McLaren? No, my last name is not McLaren. Is your last name Johnson? No, my last name is not Johnson. What is your last name? My last name is Wilson. Nice to meet you. Pleasure's all mine. Are there 5 teachers in the class? No, there are not 5 teachers in the class. Are there 8 teachers in the class? No, there are not 8 teachers in the class. Is there 1 teacher in the class? Yes, there is 1 teacher in the class. What is my name? Your name is Sam. Is this a cup? Yes, this is a cup. Is this a cup? No, this is not a cup. This is a glass. Is there water in this glass? Yes, there is water in this glass. Is there coffee in this glass? No, there is not coffee in this glass. There is water in this glass. Is there tea in this glass? No, there is not tea in this glass. There is water in this glass. What is in this glass? There is water in this glass. Is there water on the table? No, there is not water on the table. Is there water on the floor? No, there is not water on the floor. Is there water on the ceiling? No, there is not water on the ceiling. Is there water in the outlet? No, there is not water in the outlet. Is there water in the glass? Yes, there is water in the glass. What is in the glass? There is water in the glass. Is there a cup of coffee on the table? Yes, there is a cup of coffee on the table. Is there a table in this room? Yes, there is a table in this room. Are there 2 tables in this room? No, there are not 2 tables in this room. There is 1 table. How many tables are there in this room? There is 1 table in this room. Is there a ceiling light on the ceiling? Yes, there is a ceiling light on the ceiling. Is there a ceiling light on the floor? No, there is not a ceiling light on the floor. Where is the ceiling light? The ceiling light is on the ceiling. How many ceiling lights are there on the ceiling? There are 3 ceiling lights on the ceiling. Are we on the table? No, we are not on the table. Are we on 1 chair? No, we are not on 1 chair. We are on 2 chairs. Are there 3 students in this room? No, there are not 3 students in this room. There are 4 students. How many students are there in this room? There are 4 students in this room. Are you a French student? No, I am not a French student. I am an English student. Am I a German teacher? No, you are not a German teacher. Am I a Spanish teacher? No, you are not a Spanish teacher. Am I an English teacher? Yes, you are an English teacher. Who am I? You are an English teacher. Who is your English teacher? You are my English teacher. Is your teacher in the hall or in the room? My teacher is in the room. How many teachers are there in the room? There is one teacher in the room. Are you in the hall or in the room? I am in the room. What is your name? My name is John. Nice to meet you. Pleasure is all mine. Is there a cup of coffee on the table? No, there is not a cup of coffee on the table. Is there an English teacher in this room? Yes, there is an English teacher in this room. Is the teacher on the floor? No, the teacher is not on the floor. Is the teacher in the outlet? No, the teacher is not in the outlet. Where is the teacher? The teacher is on the chair. Are there 3 teachers in this room? No, there are not 3 teachers in this room. Are there 9 teachers in this room? No, there are not 9 teachers in this room. How many teachers are there in this room? There is one teacher in this room. Is this room big? No, this room is not big. Is this room small? Yes, this room is small. Is there a glass of water on the floor? No, there is not a glass of water on the floor. Is there a glass of water on the table? Yes, there is a glass of water on the table. How many glasses of water are there on the table? There is one glass of water on the table. Is this glass big? Yes, this glass is big. Is this glass small? No, this glass is not small. It is big. Is there a table on the wall? No, there is not a table on the wall. Is there a table on the ceiling? No, there is not a table on the ceiling. Where is the table? The table is on the floor. How many tables are there on the floor? There is one table on the floor. Is this table big or small? This table is big. Are there 4 students on this chair? No, there are not 4 students on this chair. Are there 2 students on this chair? No, there are not 2 students on this chair. How many students are there on this chair? There is 1 student on this chair. Is there a ceiling light on the floor? No, there is not a ceiling light on the floor. Is there a ceiling light on the wall? No, there is not a ceiling light on the wall. Where is the ceiling light? The ceiling light is on the ceiling. How many ceiling lights are there on the ceiling? There are 4 ceiling lights on the ceiling. Are you a student or a teacher? I am a student. Am I a student or a teacher? You are a teacher. Am I a Spanish teacher? No, you are not a Spanish teacher. Am I a French teacher? No, you are not a French teacher. Am I an English teacher? Yes, you are an English teacher. Are you a person or a thing? I am a person. Am I a person or a thing? You are a person. Is my cell phone a person or a thing? Your cell phone is a thing. How many things are there on the table? There are 5 things on the table. Is this cup empty? No, this cup is not empty. Is this cup full of coffee? Yes, this cup is full of coffee. Is this cup full of tea? No, this cup is not full of tea. What is in this cup? There is coffee in this cup. Am I a person or people? You are a person. Are there many people in this room? No, there are not many people in this room. How many people are there in this room? There are 4 people in this room. Are we people or things? We are people. Are these cups empty? No, these cups are not empty. Are these cups full of water? No, these cups are not full of water. Are these cups full of tea? No, these cups are not full of tea. Are these cups full of coffee? Yes, these cups are full of coffee. Are these cups big or small? These cups are big. Is this room empty? No, this room is not empty. Are there people in this room? Yes, there are people in this room. How many people are there in this room? There are 4 people in this room. Is this a thing or a person? This is a thing. What is this thing? This thing is a cell phone. Where is the outlet? The outlet is in the wall. How many outlets are there in the wall? There are 3 outlets in the wall. Is the student on the floor? No, this student is not on the floor. Is the student in the chair? No, this student is not in the chair. Is the student in the outlet? No, this student is not in the outlet. Where is this student? This student is on the chair. Is this student a thing or a person? This student is a person. Is the outlet a person? No, the outlet is not a person. It is a thing. Are we a person or people? We are people. Is Sam people? No, Sam is not people. Sam is a person. Are you in China? No, I am not in China. Are you in Japan? No, I am not in Japan. Where are you? I am in Poland. Are you from the US? No, I am not from the US. Are you from India? No, I am not from India. Where are you from? I am from Spain. Is Poland a city or a country? Poland is a country. Is the UK a city? No, the UK is not a city. Is the UK a country? Yes, the UK is a country. Is Japan a big country? No, Japan is not a big country. It is a small country. Is the US a small country? No, the US is not a small country. It is a big country. Are there a few people in China? No, there are not a few people in China. Are there many people in China? Yes, there are many people in China. Is China a city? No, China is not a city. What is China? China is a country. Is China a small country? No, China is not a small country. It is a big country. Are there many people in this room? No, there are not many people in this room. Are there a few people in this room? Yes, there are a few people in this room. How many people are there in this room? There are 3 people in this room. Are you a person or thing? I am a person. Is the table a person or a thing? The table is a thing. Are you on the chair or in the chair? I am on the chair. Is there one chair in this room? No, there is not one chair in this room. Are there 2 chairs in this room? No, there are not 2 chairs in this room. How many chairs are there in this room? There are 5 chairs in this room. Are there a few cities in India? No, there are not a few cities in India. Are there many cities in India? Yes, there are many cities in India. Are you from India? No, I am not from India. Where are you from? I am from Germany. Is this a man? No, this is not a man. This is a woman. What is her name? Her name is Margaret. Is her name Clara? No, her name is not Clara. Is her name Jennifer? No, her name is not Jennifer. What is her name? Her name is Margaret. Spell her name, please. M-A-R-G-A-R-E-T. Thank you. You are welcome. Is she a man or a woman? She is a woman. What is her last name? Her last name is Campbell. Spell her last name. C-A-M-B-B-E-L-L. Thank you. You are welcome. What is my name? Your name is Sam. Am I a woman? No, you are not a woman. You are a man. Am I a man? Yes, you are a man. What is my name? Your name is Sam. Please spell my name. S-A-M. Thank you. You are welcome. Are there 7 people in this room? No, there are not 7 people in this room. Are there 9 people in this room? No, there are not 9 people in this room. How many people are there in this room? There are 4 people in this room. Please spell people. B-E-O-B-L-E. Are you on the floor? No, I am not on the floor. Are you on the wall? No, I am not on the wall. Are you on the ceiling? No, I am not on the ceiling. Are you on the chair? Yes, I am on the chair. Please spell chair. C-H-A-I-R. Thank you. You are welcome. Is there one outlet in the wall? No, there is not one outlet in the wall. How many outlets are there in the wall? There are 3 outlets in the wall. Please spell outlet. O-U-T-L-E-T. Thank you. You are welcome. Is the US a small country? No, the US is not a small country. Is the US a big country? Yes, the US is a big country. Please spell country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Thank you. You are welcome. What is this? This is your head. Is there hair on my head? Yes, there is hair on your head. Is my hair blue? No, your hair is not blue. Is my hair orange? No, your hair is not orange. Is my hair purple? No, your hair is not purple. What color is my hair? Your hair is black. Is this table pink? No, this table is not pink. Is this table white? No, this table is not white. Is this table red? No, this table is not red. What color is this table? This table is brown. Are there 10 outlets in the wall? No, there are not 10 outlets in the wall. How many outlets are there in the wall? There are 3 outlets in the wall. Spell outlet, please. O-U-T-L-E-T. Thank you. You are welcome. What color is the outlet? The outlet is white. Is this laptop a thing or a person? This laptop is a thing. Is this thing blue? No, this thing is not blue. Is this thing white? No, this thing is not white. Is this thing purple? No, this thing is not purple. What color is this thing? This thing is black. Is your name Freddy? No, my name is not Freddy. Is your name Donald? No, my name is not Donald. What is your name? My name is Roger. Please spell your name. R-O-G-E-R. Nice to meet you. Pleasure is all mine. Are there 3 walls in this room? No, there are not 3 walls in this room. Are there 2 walls in this room? No, there are not 2 walls in this room. How many walls are there in this room? There are 4 walls in this room. Are the walls black? No, the walls are not black. Are the walls yellow? No, the walls are not yellow. What color are the walls? The walls are green. Please spell blue. B-L-U-E. Thank you. You are welcome. Are you a person or people? I am a person. Am I a person or people? You are a person. Are we a person? No, we are not a person. We are people. How many people are there in this room? There are 4 people in this room. Please spell people. B-E-O-B-L-E. Thank you. You are welcome. Is it 3 o'clock now? No, it is not 3 o'clock now. Is it 5 p.m. now? No, it is not 5 p.m. now. What time is it? It is 2:30 p.m. What time is it? It is 12:08 p.m. What time is it? It is 4:30 a.m. What time is it? It is 3:45 a.m. What time is it? It is 8:51 p.m. What time is it? It is 6:35 p.m. What time is it? It is 9 p.m. What time is it? It is 10:20 a.m. What time is it? It is 6:11 a.m. What time is it? It is 2:37 a.m. What time is it? It is 5:30 p.m. What time is it? It is 1:55 a.m. What time is it? It is 11:15 p.m. What time is it? It is 12:45 p.m. What time is it? It is 7:10 a.m. Let's take a look at this example. This is an empty cup. Here we have a particular object that we describe. Another example. China is a big country. Here we describe China. Sometimes we don't describe an object. For example, when we talk about weather, or temperature, or time, or some other adjectives. In these cases, we use it is. It is warm in this room. It is cold in winter. It is sometimes cool in the fall. Repeat after me. Is it cold in winter? Yes, it is cold in winter. Is it cold in summer? No, it is not cold in summer. It is hot in summer. Okay, let's practice. Hot, hot. Warm, warm. Cool, cool. Cold, cold. Winter, winter. In winter, in winter. Spring, spring. In spring, in spring. Summer, summer. In summer, in summer. Fall, fall. In fall, in fall. When, when. Sometimes, sometimes. Africa, Africa. Europe, Europe. Alaska, Alaska. Hot, hot. Warm, warm. Cool, cool. Cold, cold. Winter, winter. In winter, in winter. Spring, spring. In spring, in spring. Summer, summer. In summer, in summer. Fall, fall. In fall, in fall. When, when. Sometimes, sometimes. Africa, Africa. Europe, Europe. Alaska, Alaska. Is it hot in this room? No, it is not hot in this room. Is it cold in this room? No, it is not cold in this room. Is it warm in this room? Yes, it is warm in this room. Is it hot in Alaska in winter? No, it is not hot in Alaska in winter. Is it warm in Alaska in winter? No, it is not warm in Alaska in winter. Is it cold in Alaska in winter? Yes, it is cold in Alaska in winter. Is it cold in Africa in summer? No, it is not cold in Africa in summer. Is it cool in Africa in summer? No, it is not cool in Africa in summer. Is it hot in Africa in summer? Yes, it is hot in Africa in summer. Is it cold in Europe in fall? No, it is not cold in Europe in fall. Is it warm in Europe in fall? Yes, it is warm in Europe in fall. Is it warm in Europe in spring? Yes, it is warm in Europe in spring. Is it sometimes cold in Europe in spring? Yes, it is sometimes cold in Europe in spring. When is it cold in Alaska? It is cold in Alaska in winter. When is it hot in Africa? It is hot in Africa in summer. Are there two people in this room? No, there are not two people in this room. Are there 9 people in this room? No, there are not 9 people in this room. Are there 4 people in this room? Yes, there are 4 people in this room. How many people are there in this room? There are 4 people in this room. Is it hot when there are many people in a small room? Yes, it is hot when there are many people in a small room. Is it cold when there are many people in a small room? No, it is not cold when there are many people in a small room. It is hot. When is it hot in a small room? It is hot when there are many people in a small room. What is his name? His name is Anthony. Please spell his name. A-N-T-H-O-N-Y. Is there hair on his head? Yes, there is hair on his head. What color is the hair on his head? The hair on his head is brown. What is my name? Your name is Sam. Is there hair on my head? Yes, there is hair on your head. What color is my hair? Your hair is black.